Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to use the CSV Importer. If we go through to the left hand side, all we need to do is click in the Settings menu. Once we're in the Settings menu, click on the option for Import Data. Once you've clicked Import Data, you'll see on the top left hand side of the screen you have the option to import CSV files. All we need to do is just click on here and this will take us through to log into the CSV Importer. All we need to do is put the username of the cash flow account and also the password. Once you've done that, just hit the login button and this will load it up into the system. You'll then have the option to import using CSV. So leave that highlighted and then click next. What you will see here is we can import bank transactions. So if you are not using bank feeds and you want to import your bank transactions from an export from your online banking, then you can do that using this facility. We can also import customers, invoices, invoice payments, purchases, purchase payments, journal entries, suppliers, nominal codes and product codes. In this demonstration, I'm going to import customers and products. So to import customers, all I do is highlight customers and then hit next. Now, if we go back into our cash flow account and click into the customers module, we will see that I don't have any customers in here at the moment. So if we go back to our importer, all we need to do is choose the file that we want to import. If I say choose file, all we need to do is go to the CSV import we want to import. So I've got a customer import here and then click upload. What we'll see here is all the information that has come through on that CSV import. Now I've got column headings in here. If I didn't have column headings, I could choose exactly where these need to be mapped to. So that's the customer code, so I just select code, and if we come through we've got address 1 in here, so I can say that needs to be sent to address 1, so we can match up the right columns to the right area that they need to go through in Cashflow. If you've already got the correct headings on here, just click the My First Row Contains Column Headings button here, and we'll see that it'll map everything to the right place in Cashflow as long as the column headings are matched the same. So we can see that the code has matched. We've got name, address 1, address 2, postcode, address 3, email and mobile is all matched up, but one of them hasn't. It says ignore, which basically means the heading on the CSV is not correct to where it needs to be matched to within Cashflow. So this is the customer name. So all I need to do is click on the drop down box and click on name. And basically that will go through to the contact name for this particular customer. Once that's done and you've matched all of those headings, all you need to do is just click the import button at the bottom of the screen. Once you click the import button, we will see that the request has been successful. If there are any issues with the importer or it's picked up on any duplicates, it will say failed within this section, but we can now see that that's all imported. So if I go to my customer module now and just click on customers again on the left hand side, we will now see a list of those 70 customers that I've just imported. The more information that you actually have on the CSV template, the more information that will come through to Cashflow. So if I just click into a customer record and go to contact details, we can see it's brought through their customer code, the name of the company, their address, postcode, email address, and also their name has come through and their mobile number. If we had their phone number, fax and web address populated on that CSV template, then this information would already come through as well. To import more information into Cashflow, all we need to do is to say return to the import screen. And I'm going to import another CSV, so just hit next again, and we're going to import some products. So if I just click next on here, all we need to do is choose the file, and if we just go to our products import on here and upload. And again, all we do is follow the same process. This is all the information I've got against my product records, so I can see the name of the product code, if we're managing stock levels against it, our alert levels, and we can see all of the other information has come through from our CSV template. I'm just going to click on the My First Row Contains Column Headings button again, and we can see that all of these have matched to the right place. We've got one here which is ignore, so that's quantity in stock. So if I just click on that and match that to quantity in stock, as you can see, it needs to be exact for these columns to match up. I've got a stock warning in here, so I just need to go and match that to here, but everything else is matched to the right place. And if we go back into cash flow, if I just click into the invoices module on the left hand side and go into our sales code on the top right, we can see that our stock code currently has no products listed against it. So if we go back into our CSV import, I'm just going to import 6 product codes. As you can see, the request has been successful. So if we now go back into our sales codes, so if I go into invoices again and click on sales code in the top right hand side, we can now see that under stock I've got 6 products. So if I click into here and scroll down, we will see those products have all been brought into cash flow using the CSV importer. And if you click into a product record, you can see that it's brought through the description, the code, the parent nominal, the description that I want to appear on the invoice, and also my stock has been turned on and my alert level has come through. And that's how easy it is to just use the CSV importer within Cashflow to import information directly into the system.